Hindi. And then, once again, thank you to Sir Russell Roger from Nebraska. Thank you so much for always you to support my channel, and you know, there you go. I have my what you call this, or nephew who paint the purlins before putting up. We need to get out the old roof and change into color roof. Wow, see you on my update on my next day of my repair of the house. And this, that's my house is just like what you call this, connect. This is my brother's house and me, and the other is my younger brother there. It is like a compound. Hello, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And house is under construction. Ibutahan ako dag hashtag my labor. There you go. That's my I pay for it for painting the purlins for the renovation of our house. This one. To fix everything. There you go. This is the inside, in there, outside. So messy because we repair our terrace. Thanks for the support of my subscriber, and also thank you for Sir Russell Roger for the sponsor. Sometimes he gives sponsor for everything here, and I hope you guys also have a general heart to make now not just finish my house, but we need to change the roof. This is inside, and my old mother is here, and my makmak. Ha? Amo, dito wala ka Jubert. Pwede raman na mapintalan. There you go. Oh. Henry is, yes, here sitting in the corner. Wow. Shan, loka. My mother. Early in the morning. Good morning. And the fish is in my aquarium there. There we go, the outside. Oh, that's not my house, the White House. That's my brother's house. And we are preparing our terrace for the renovation because it always rained here. Our floor is wet. I need to change the floor, fix, and I will update you guys after finish my renovation of my house. Okay, thank you for my subscriber. Without you guys, I cannot make it. This is the what we call my salary in YouTube. I used to renovate my house. Thank you for always supporting you guys, and also again shout out to my subscribers and my avid viewers. Thank you so much.